students, my name is Vinay Shukla. I am from NPTI Adarsh Vidya Mandir. Here is the question of your lesson, an elementary school classroom in a slum, and this is the question answer series. The first question from NCERT book is, what does the poet want for the children of the slums, and how can their lives be made to change? As we know that the whole lesson revolves around class inequality and social injustice, and that is why we may simply say that the lives of the poor should be assisted by the rich people, by the capitalists, by the bureaucrats, especially the governor, inspector. They should come forward. They should try to assist those poor. They should they should erase the corruption from the society, so that the rights of the poor should be given to them. And in that way, the classroom, elementary school classroom, have no meaning if they would not be fulfill their basic needs, that was food, shelter and cloth. So such poor people should be assisted by the rich people. This is the universal appeal of Stephen Spender by the people. So the first question, you may write. You have everything to write, because the William Shakespeare, whose statue is pasted on the wall of that classroom, has no meaning for them, because he basically represents the civilized society. But such people who are living in slum, they are deprived of their basic amenities, and that's why there's no they have nothing to do with the love, son or ship, that were the main themes of the William Shakespeare, and that's why Shakespeare is called wicked by Stephen Spender. So you have enough stuff to write as the answer of this question. Question number 2 is, how is the theme of the class inequality and social injustice employed through the poem? Very important questions from board examinations point of view, and this question has already been asked, and the most probable question that may come in any form. So be aware, students, with such questions, because it's clearly given the theme of class inequality and social injustice. So you may simply literally define the word class inequality. What the class inequality is? Classes are unequal. There are two classes, one the rich, another is the poor, and the gap between both the classes is very big, and that's why it's a need of the hour that we should try to bridge that particular gap. And for that, rich people should come forward, capitalists should come forward, haves should come forward for helping have-nots, and that is why here is given class inequality, because there are two unequal classes. There is a economical disparity among both the sections of the society, and is given social injustice, because the injustice has been done by the rich people on the poor, as you have seen in the history pages, that most of the capitalists have harnessed most of the their employees, and finally they got benefit, advantage, everything, and they haven't given you may say their rights to them, and not the poor, they were given the poor wages only by the rich people, and that is why they are in the very miserable condition. They are living their lives as a weeds, unnecessary part of the society. They can't produce anything productive for the contribution of a nation, for the growth of as a contribution for the nation. So that is why he has given social injustice. In the chapter you have seen that a kind of class has been shown by Stephen Spender, that was represented in the form of a school, slum school. So I will come with some more questions in my next video. Thanks for watching.